Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to unlock the gear shop in Grow a Garden. Alright, let's begin. You can find the gear shop on the opposite side of the seed store. Run past the event stand in the center to locate it. It's next to the cosmetic stand and crafting tables. If the gear shop does not appear, it's likely because this is your first time playing Grow a Garden. Click the Roblox icon in the top corner or press Escape on your keyboard, then select Leave and Confirm. Join Grow a Garden again and head back to the opposite end of the seed store. The gear shop should now be visible. Talk to the NPC and select Show me the gear shop to access the store. Just like the seed store, the gear shop's inventory changes randomly, so check it often for useful tools. One helpful item is the recall wrench, which teleports you directly to the gear shop. Each wrench gives you 5 teleports. You can also try switching to a different server to find a garden that's closer to the gear shop. This can save time and coins. So that's basically how you can unlock the gear shop in Grow a Garden. And that's it for this video. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.